I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating personal information with your service provider can sometimes feel daunting, but it is actually pretty straightforward. Here is how you can do it with Bell Canada. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bell Canada website and log into your account using your credentials. This is where you can access all your personal information. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, find the My Profile or Account Settings section. This is where you can edit your personal details. Step 3. Update your information. Select the specific information you want to update, such as your address, phone number, or email. Make the necessary changes and ensure everything is accurate. Step 4. Save changes. After making your updates, look for the Save or Submit button at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial. If you forget to save, your changes won't be applied. Step 5. Verify your changes. Log out and log back in to confirm that your updates have been saved correctly. This will help you catch any mistakes right away. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact Bell's customer service for assistance. They're usually very helpful. Good luck with your updates.